Hi, my name is Scorese. I'm with First Trust Bank. I am a senior loan officer, and I provide educational workshops for the greater Philadelphia and South Jersey market. Today, we offered a residential lending fundamentals course workshop to assist investor buyers and home buyers in understanding the proper process and financial resume required to buy a home today. I hope you enjoy the following presentation. Have a great day. It's not just for you to beat your chest like a gorilla. It's more to say, hey, listen, this is what I'm trying to accomplish. I'm setting my goal, and I'm putting it out there in front of your eyes. There is words being projected out in front of your eyes when you're saying that, believe it or not. And another thing is, your eyes tell you about 7 seconds before you start saying what you're going to say. So you already had it in your head, you just wanted to just situate it correctly. It's a little theology, but it works, okay? So again, keep those goals and those motivations. And you know, when I start off in my mentoring with individuals, I reinforce lending for 4 or 5 weeks. Because I could look at real estate all day if I want to, but if I don't understand the lending capacity, the parameters, or what the resume needs to look like, it's not going to help much in buying the property. You know what I mean? Oh, you only need $1 and you can buy the property. Well, if you want to go to those paper classes, good luck. You'll be about $40,000 in the hole and you still won't have a house. Fair to say. Okay? I wanted to tell you that these forms that you're taking, like it's just a piece of paper. Somebody paid $10,000 for those 2 sheets of paper in the past 10 years. You just took over like it was a piece of scrap paper. Pretty scary if you think about it, right? So what we're going to do first is kind of talk about financing your first deal, or really any deal. You should know certain things and be aware when starting to go out there. Like you just started in January. What do you need to know? Like, just start looking at properties. Do I go to drink the juice club on a weekend and blow out $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 for a class, or do I join a RIA? That's a not-for-profit, and that's a big word. Not-for-profit. If you go to other events and they don't mention that they're not-for-profit, what are they? Okay? So there's an agenda. Okay? My agenda, yes, I have an agenda. I do mortgages. I originate mortgages. That's what I do for a living. So that's important to me, and that's important that I get business out of some of the events I offer, giving hopefully a nugget of education. But at the end of the day, working with an organization that is not for profit but is linked to RIA, Real Estate Investment Association, is a step up. I mean, there's a lot of events popping up here in the Philadelphia market that because the market is starting to slow down, prices are capping out, rates are kind of moving all over the place. You're going to start watching and seeing predatory workshops, I'll call it. And they're trying to bait and switch, trying to get money from it at the end of the day. Hi. Excuse me, did you fill out this form at any point before?
Yeah.
Okay. These are 2 sheets for the class. All right. So there's an 8-step rule to financing a deal. This is a broad stroke. Hopefully you and I have been going back and forth to get a feel of how it works. You know what I mean? But there's certain steps that are very consistent. One, if you're a good loan officer, and you're good in your field, you'll never send an app to somebody. That's just a lazy human being. Okay, I want to know about you. Okay, I'm very specific to know about you. Because you could tell me what you think I need to know, but it's probably not what I need to know. Like, I took an application for somebody, and I gave him a very specific checklist. And he sent me 3 things that are right on the checklist. What are these for? I just thought, stop, don't think, follow the checklist. The checklist will get you to the finish line. When you think that I need something and it's not on my checklist, all that's going to do is draw confusion. The guy sent me his life insurance policy. I don't want to use life insurance policy. And it wasn't anywhere on the checklist. I just figured you needed it. We're dating. I say you do. Is that fair? And it sounds a little domineering, but it worked. Okay? So stop sending me stuff that I don't need. I don't need extra bank statements. I need bank statements to what I specifically have said. You got to train people. They don't know. They just think, I'll send you the back and front page. No, you're sending me all pages. It says all pages. You're not telling me how to do my own. So when somebody who you're working with, they're asking for specific things, send specific things. Be specific. Don't be a venturer in any way. But first, you need to know what banks are doing, okay? If it's more of a customized product where it's in an LLC, certain banks do certain things and certain banks don't do certain things. And you have to do that research. I know what they're doing. I know what we're not doing. And it's really easy. I'm able to give you a clear answer probably in about a minute what we can do. Like I had a client, he didn't want to pay MI. He was looking at a two-family house. He fit the model of FHA, but he didn't like MI. I said, well, instead of 3.5% down, you're going to have to put 5% down. Your seller assist is going to change a little bit. You're in a CRA, community reenactment area, which you did with Philadelphia. Let's get you 5% down, no MI. Rates just a touch higher. Was the rate a lot higher? I'm like, even if the rate was a half a point, you're not paying MI. Common sense, that's a lot.